Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the Mercedes-AMG GLE63S 4MATIC Plus. So in this video I will show you the monster exterior and the quality inside. So from the front you can notice it is a very pronounced and aggressive design with a Panamericana grille in 14 vertical lines. A large Mercedes star, which is not alone because it has a chrome detail around it to make the star look larger. And of course it has the new AMG 63S front bumpers with a jet design. I really love this grille because it is an A shape and not a V shape like in previous models. It has the new multi-beam LED headlights, great design with laser technology, and it can reach over 650 meters when driving in night. And that might increase if you fully accelerate because the front marches like a beast. So let's move over into the side. And I'm just walking alongside these muscular lines on the hood. And here you can see that the GLE is a very practical SUV. It has the V8 BiTurbo 4MATIC Plus emblem on the side with large 22-inch rims. The red brake calipers and a nice design because the Mercedes star sticks out. The size is 285, but the rear tires are thicker, 325. And I love this C-pillar design. It ages from the predecessor, the ML, with a tight and thicker line in the end. A real ML characteristic. And that takes us over to the rear side with its characteristic pointy tail lights, very horizontal. And the most impressive part here in the rear is of course the exhaust system, sharp lines on the top of the exhaust pipes, which is characterizable for the S in the AMG. A nice spoiler-like design, and of course a large diffuser blacked out. Amazing. Sitting here inside the GLE 63S, you of course have the same quality feeling as in the GLE 53, but a little bit more sportive. It has this AMG steering wheel with Alcantara on the sides, fully leather wrapped, and an AMG emblem down here. I love this bright interior color with a glossy carbon fiber trim, including here at the door, and a very bright interior. High end also here at the end of the door. Let's start the engine. I will change it into Sport Plus. Hold the downshift and there it starts. So by taking a seat here in this new GLE 63, you really notice the quality and a lot of space. Headspace is enormous. There's a panoramic roof in one large part, and the leg space is huge, around 35 centimeters. I love this carbon fiber door trim, and yes, with your own seat adjustments. And you also have your own air vent in hot days like this. Lovely Burmester surround sound system. So let's have a look at what is under the bonnet. Let's go. Let's have a look at what is under the bonnet of this SUV beast. Amazing. This is a 4-liter V8 BiTurbo engine producing over 612 horsepower, 850 Nm of torque. And that's why it sprints from 0 to 100 km an hour in less than 4 seconds. I love this cover around the AMG engine, and it also has the Affalterbach AMG emblem for one man, one engine. So let's close the bonnet. Thanks guys for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video with the GLE 63 AMG S, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we have a mid-size SUV beast of Mercedes-Benz. It is the Mercedes-AMG GLE63S 4MATIC Plus. In today's video I will show you the complete exterior, interior, the quality inside, and of course we'll take it for a drive in the city. Apart from the performance, it is also not shy on its practicality. So let's open the trunk. And here you can see that it has over 500 liters of boot space. And from my bag you can estimate the trunk's dimensions. So underneath there is some more storage space. And below this there appears to be a silver barrel for AMG. So guys, what do you think this barrel is for? You can let me know on Instagram, the link is down below. And I'm curious what you guys think. Let's go to the interior. So now we are inside the GLE63S AMG. Let's press the button for the electronics to work. And here you can notice that this is indeed based on the C-Class interior. You have your center console with the air vents, similar. Because this is the AMG, you do have your driving characteristics switcher on the steering wheel. You can switch it from slippery, individual, comfort, all the way to Sport Plus and race mode. It has the carbon fiber glossy materials at the center console with the AMG emblem. And I really love this steering wheel. It is one of the best compared to the previous generations. It has a flat bottom with the AMG emblem, and this one is half Alcantara and leather stitched. For this facelift model you do have new technology with the MBUX. There's also some new driving assistance package with a camera just behind the rear mirror, which observes the road in front of you, and if you approach a crossing the camera will appear. Right now it is in the race mode, and let's start the engine to listen to this exhaust sound. I will hold the downshift for the emotion start. Nice crackles. So I'm very curious how it will sound on the road. But first, let's have a look at the practical rear seats. So it has an easy entrance, and the seat is in my driving position. Legroom is very decent, also headspace. I'm not touching the roof, even though it has the gorgeous panoramic roof in this SUV. Furthermore, it has amazing designer seats in two colors, a bright and black leather. The interior looks gorgeous from this perspective. Overall, it has a lot of USB-C charging points, two here at the center, with also a 12-volt charger. There's the Burmester surround sound system with also a reading light. And as you could remember from the GLE, it had different microphones on each passenger side. Here it has it only in the front. It has an armrest with two cup holders and also some storage space for your papers. And you can also access the trunk via this area. So let's go and you will see how this car drives here in the city. Handcrafted by one person. So this is a 4-liter V8 BiTurbo producing 510 horsepower because this is the S and 700 Nm of torque. From 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds, and it has the race performance package, so the top speed is 270 km/h. So let's close the bonnet and we will take it for a drive. So now we are driving the GLC63S in the city. So on the right side of the steering wheel you can also change the settings on the display. So the home button for the infotainment system, and you can swipe just like a mobile phone through the settings. It is also a touchscreen. So let's go to the AMG performance settings, engine. This tells you exactly the newton meters of torque that you are using and the engine output in kilowatt. So let's take a left turn. So as you approach a crossing, the augmented reality will appear. This way it is very easy to see when the light turns green, of course, but also it is combined with the navigation system, so it tells you when to go left or right. Vehicle settings. You can also have a look at the consumption. But in the city it is of course quite dramatic. So let's leave it on the vehicle. G-force. Amazing sound. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this video with the GLC63S. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.